interest in emphasis in the structure. The structure, you all hear me? The structure of consciousness. The structure of consciousness and human experience. And synchronicity is a byproduct of mind and matter, substance and attribute, and structure of consciousness and human experience. And why we can conclude indefinitely that synchronicity, aka coincidences. Now these two terms are used interchangeably. They're not mutually exclusive, you know. They have different terms because they're coming from mutually exclusive school gang-stalking. These interpretations are coming from mutually exclusive schools of interpretation, staunch idealism and radical materialism. The whole objective of this discussion is to discuss the trichotomy between awareness